What's up, everybody? Life's Apprentice. Laura's behind the camera. She's been demoted. She did that. Look at what she did. Can you believe that? So I pulled it out with pliers. It's definitely through the sidewall. So we're going to show you an easy way to fix it. Now, this can come with some element of risk because the tire is basically compromised at this point. But tires are very expensive, and in this business you are going to run over stuff that you do not want to. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to plug it. It's pretty simple. These tires are pretty freaking heavy duty, so it can be difficult. So what we're going to do, we have, like, this is our scraper cleaner. We're going to put this in first and widen the hole a little bit, and then we're going to plug it with this. But first, we're going to pull this out, and you're going to hear it. It's leaking. So, we're going to take this. We're just going to kind of twist it into the tire. This takes some strength. This is not very easy. So, I can feel we're completely through the sidewall. You're going to want to really twist this. It's going to make it a lot easier for the next part. You can see how I'm getting in there pretty good. The next thing we're going to want to do, we're going to want to get this, throw your nail in there. I like to smush the end of this just a little bit. It makes it easier to get through this. This is kind of a pain in the butt. But I'm going to run this through. I don't know the technical term for this tool. Plug pusher. But we're going to get this through. I'm going to grab it with pliers, hopefully. This is a really sticky, very sticky. So you're going to want that pulled through basically into the middle of this tool. Now, when we pull this out, we're going to leak a lot of air. I'm going to run this in. And this you want to try to avoid twisting because you're going to tie it into a knot. So I'm only twisting like a half turn at a time. Sometimes this will get caught on the cords of the tire. And it can be tough. It definitely takes some strength. The other option, I know a lot of tire shops, for liability reasons, do not plug tires anymore, and just for liability reasons, because they're worried about blowouts. We have had one blowout on a trailer tire already, and but it wasn't because of we patched it or anything like that. It just happens when you're hauling heavy loads. So you can see we have it basically all the way in there. I find a lot of times if I keep pushing this in, what'll happen is when I'm pulling it back out, the plug will just end up on the inside of the tire. So I don't like to go all the way in. Now we're just gonna pull this out slowly. And again, don't twist. We're just pulling straight out, real slow. And you see I'm twisting just tiny bit. And this tool should release that plug. And if it doesn't, we'll basically start over. You can see how this tool is releasing the plug. That's basically what we want. There you go. That is how you fix a trailer tire in about, I don't know, it took what, 5 minutes? Yeah, about 5 minutes. So, I don't know, you got to be careful doing this. The tire is essentially compromised, but you know, every time you get a nail in a tire, $200 tire is not worth it. So we always keep spares, and we have people on standby to call if we ever have problems. I tell the girls, you ever have a problem with a tire, call somebody. Don't try to fix it yourself. If you get a blowout or a flat when you're driving, don't call me, because I'm not coming to help you. So if you like that video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, see you on the next one.